These are blue and yellow. These are
Green.
primary colors. And green is secondary color. Yes? If we mix blue, yellow, it will be green. We get green color.
बोलो रेक्टेंगल बोलो कैप्सिकम हाँ It has small black seeds. I love to eat watermelon. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating Green Day.
My
green object is cement mixer. It has 6 wheels.
Okay.
It is helped in construction. It helps mix cement. My name is Manasvi Sri Krishna Kode. Today we are celebrating Green Color Day. My green
Object is a
object is a vegetable in green color.
This is a lady finger.
Lady finger. I love lady finger. My name is I am student in KG class. Today we are celebrating the butterfly color is green. Butterfly is insect. We are celebrating Green Day. My green object is green car. Its color is green. It is land transport. The car has 4 wheels.
I love
my car. It runs very fast. Thank you.